Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a video inside of a text and like a shape on CapCut PC. So I'm going to show you both. I'm just going to type in shape. I know this is like text, but it's fine. I'm also going to find like bold fonts, maybe like this one. And then I'm going to go to stock materials and I'm going to add this white background here. Go to mask and add in like cute shapes. You can also like, I guess, download some other shapes too. But I'm just going to use this for now. I'll add also a black background. Select everything. If you want it to be longer, you need to make it a compound clip, but I'm just gonna do this. And then place it on the second track. Go to a video, like select any video that you want. Maybe this one. Select your video on top, go to video, go to blend mode, and you're going to select the darken blend mode. And if you have a white background, you're going to select brighten. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.